I need you guys, 5 superheroes, 5 station, Slideshow!
Come on. Oh, noise.
What do you want? It's not a secret.
Too late.
Why does weirdness truck?
Come on.
I don't know, not a sentence. Say 2 words. We're only gonna have your husband.
Hey. Come on.
What? Superheroes! Final station.
Your heart rate has increased dramatically.
Okay, then next. So do you know? He's his eye. Hero.
No. No, no. Get out of here.
Wolfster. What are you doing here?
Nothing. Just
Wolfster's eye.
my pubescent mood swings. That Baymax? Yeah, but you really.
Where is
Wearing
it?
carbon fiber underpants.
I need a sound converter.
You guys need to go.
No, don't push us away, Hiro. We're here for you.
That's
why Baymax contacted us.
Those who suffer a loss require support from friends and loved ones.
Okay, but
Who would like to share their feelings first?
Ooh, I'll go. Okay. My name is Fred, and it has been 30 days since my last holy mother of Megazon! Am I the only one seeing this?
He's in trouble.
Go!
I'm sorry, Phoenix.
Get him! No! What are you doing?
I'm saving your life.
Don't fire trust
Handle that
guy. Oh no. Why?
Oh no.
6.
Wasabi!
Oh, goodbye!
Hero.
Explanation now.
He stole my
You're
microphone.
fire shots. Just join me.
I don't know who he is.
Computer.
Palm heel strike. Hard left.
That mask.
That suit.
We're under attack from a supervillain, people! I mean, how cool is that? I mean, it's scary, obviously, but how cool?
Why are we
Can't
stopped?
believe it.
The light's red.
There are no red lights in
That's
the
not
context.
okay.
Why is he trying to kill us? Why are you trying to kill us?
It's classic
Not
villain.
right.
We've seen too much.
Let's not jump to
Look at
conclusions.
the bound.
We
You're
don't know
shocking to
who's
believe.
trying to kill us.
Ah!
Did you just put your blinker on?
That's it.
Indicate your turn.
Put it on.
That's it.
Stop it! That's it. Oh, you. Oh,
Save lives. Buckle up
Every
every
time.
time.
Hang on here a minute. Sure, I want to. Wait a second. Hang on.
Did we lose him?
Relax. Hold on. Wait, all we're doing again. Wait, all we're doing again. Wait, all we're doing again. No! Oh, what? This is not good.
Attention, and your body temperatures are low.
We should get out of here.
An
I know a
underbite.
place.
Where are we?
Fred, where are you going?
Oh, welcome to mi casa. That's French for front door.
It's really not.
Hey, don't not the cool to you.
I'm not in the mood.
Welcome home, Master Frederick.
Oh, free.
Come on in, guys. We'll be safe in here. Give me some.
Burger now.
Ba-la-la-la-la.
Ready?
The house.
I thought you lived under a bridge.
Well, technically it belongs to my parents. They're on a vacay on the family island. You know, we should totally go sometime. Frolic.
You got a kidney.
If I wasn't just attacked by a guy in a kabuki mask, I think this would be the weirdest thing I've seen today.
My brain hates my eyes for seeing this.
Your body temperature is still
The house.
Yeah,
No, stop. No.
It's like spooning a warm marshmallow.
So nice.
Bobby Star. Worker, sister, are you there?
Does this symbol mean anything to you guys?
Yes, it's a bird.
No.
I don't know what it's
Carrying
going.
something with this symbol.
Sky.
hero's emotional state.
Apprehend him? We don't even know who he is.
I have a theory.
Bernstein.
Dr. Slaughter, MD.
Actual millionaire weapons designer Malcolm Cheselton.
The
Arthur.
Annihilator?
Behind the mask, industrialist Reed Axworthy.
Baron von Destruct. Oh, just get to the point.
Don't you guys get it? The man in the mask who attacked us is none other than, voila, Alistair Cray.
What?
Think about it. Cray wanted your microbots, and you said no. Rules don't apply to a man like Cray.
There's no way.
The
guy's
toes
too high
again.
Who was that guy in the mask?
I don't know. We don't know anything about him.
His blood type is AB negative. Cholesterol level.
Phoenix, you scared it?
I am programmed to assess
What a
everything
problem
about
me.
things.
Yes. I can use the data from your scan to find him.
You'd have to scan everyone in San Francisco, and that might take, I don't know, forever.
No. I just have to
You're
look
disgusting.
Got it.
All kinds of
I'll
bugs.
scan
You
the
have
whole
bugs in
city
your
at the
room?
same time.
Yeah, you want
I just have
bugs?
to
Alright, I can do that.
Why do you have no pants on? Put pants on. Go put pants on.
Actually, if
You
we're gonna
have
catch this
pants.
guy, I need to upgrade all of you.
Upgrade who now?
Those who suffer a loss require support from friends and loved ones.